Well, a red flag fire alert may be already lifted, but officials with Clarendon County Fire as well as the South Carolina Forestry Commission are warning the danger is not even over.
Yeah, first responders say this weekend's large fire that we're showing you right behind us here in the woods is a reminder of just how quickly conditions can turn dangerous. News 19's Ariana Clay sharing do's and don'ts.
We were asking the community not to burn because of the conditions and the wind.
That warning came as crews with the Clarendon County Fire Rescue responded to a large woods fire along Moses Dingle Road on Sunday. It took crews around 2 hours to contain the fire. Now the cause is still under investigation, but officials say dry conditions and strong winds made the situation more dangerous. It's during these colder winter months when everything outside looks brown, dry, and dead. That's when wildfire risk is higher. When there's green vegetation, there's moisture, but when it's all brown, these fuels are much more likely to catch fire. Madeline Stewart from the South Carolina Forestry Commission says this is the time of year dry winter conditions can quickly turn dangerous.
If it's really dry, we haven't had a good soaking rain in a while, maybe hold off. Also, if it's really windy outside, probably not the best time to burn.
Now, fire officials say if you do plan to burn, following the proper precautions like having the right tools on hand, for example, water, rakes, and shovels can help contain it. One of the biggest mistakes they see is
not leaving that fire unattended. That's a huge one. A lot of people will, maybe it's a calm weather day and they think, oh, let me go take a call or let me go inside and grab a snack. Not a good idea.
Lieutenant April Conyers with Clarendon County Fire Rescue says if a fire starts to spread, call for help immediately.
They also need to stay with their fire, not leave it, especially not leave it unattended or burning. Make sure it's out before they leave.
Fire officials say waiting for calmer weather, following safety precautions, and calling for help early can prevent a small fire from becoming a wildfire. In Clarendon County, Ariana Clay, News 19 WLTX.
Now, just as a quick reminder, anyone burning outdoors outside city limits is required by law to notify the South Carolina Forestry Commission all before burning.